Make a great choice today with the 2024 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.